Welcome again to Democracy Catastrophe, where an armchair quarterback, political pundit, opinion spouter, so forth and so forth and so forth. Well, today I have to be kind of mixed upon violence and price gouging. Three D's come to mind: delay, deny, and defend. Those are three words that is the key reason why insurance companies, especially in the health insurance industry, makes a lot of money is by denying a lot of claims. What they are is pretty much like the middlemen that in the middle between you and your doctor. So going to the doctor is very expensive. There's really no way around it. It's just that's like doctors need to get paid too for their services. It's a job. They do need to get paid. But if you understand the healthcare system and how it works, you've been through it, and we all will from time to time. You know how they break down all the costs and everything. And it's discouraging when they say you've got the best health care around, where you have a $1 billion industry that's supposed to pay out claims, yet you're stuck with paying like 30 to 40% of the costs, or you pay a high deductible before your insurance kicks in. So what you do is this thing they call copay. All right. What this is when you put in a copay, it's basically a double tax. It's pretty much just double dip. All right. We agreed to pay you this, but you're paying it already in the system at first. It's taken out of your check every month or every pay period, and that's money you send to the insurance company. Bam. Therefore, the insurance company puts in their money into that pool of money and divvy it up among what gets paid out. Routine care is usually kind of like, let's your checkups, or you go see them to get like prescriptions or stuff like that. Especially if you have a cold or something like that. And a lot of times, insurance companies are more than willing just to take care of those routine costs. It's not that really bad, and usually the deductible is usually pennies on the dollar. And if you need to see a doctor more than once throughout the year, it gets real costly. And a lot of times, I see where the insurance company is coming from. It's like they're trying to deliberately cull a herd in order to make a profit. So the more you deny a claim, especially if you've got like heart issues or diabetes or even cancer, you're pretty much kind of like I'm at the mercy at my insurance company. And then when you're stuck with a bill, a lot of times for a healthcare provider to make the claim, a lot of times they're allowing these uh, companies to pretty much take advantage of you. So what happened during the COVID period? United Healthcare saw an opportunity to expand, and long story short, they ended up buying into some hospitals, some what I'm about to say is going to not shock you. This dude, whoever it may be, I do not consider a hero. So I'm not going to say a little more about this guy because it's not worth my time talking about a sleazebag punk who thinks the IRA range I'm getting a little tired. But the story is this guy pulled up, had a gun, had a silencer on his gun when he was to shake his hand. The CEO kind of reached out and I don't know what he did, but venture capitalism is a slippery slope towards damnation, as far as I'm concerned. So, yeah, so this is where sleeping is kicking in. I don't condone people killing each other, but if there's any people that deserves to be highly scrutinized, I do think the elite need to come out and not just condemn the violence among the corporate clique. I expect them to pay their fair share of taxes. And I'm still being blunt now and saying some people are going to regard the shooter, the prisoner, or something, possibly caught. I don't know. But I just don't see any reason for people to dwell on somebody that's wealthy and feel sorry for him. The CEO's job is to steer the company into making as much money as we can for the shareholders. And when those three words end up on the shell casings, it kind of sends a clear message across the bow that the wealthy are touchable. And I'll just leave it at that.